Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great start to your week. I'm that Ed Tech Guy, and it's Tech Tuesday. In this episode of Tech Tuesday, I'm going to show you how you can use placeholders in ProKeys to quickly move between fields within a snippet. ProKeys is a Chrome extension that allows you to create snippets or abbreviations that can be replaced with an associated long-form text when you type the abbreviation followed by pressing the hotkey Shift Space. If you aren't already using ProKeys to improve your efficiency when grading, writing emails, or creating log entries, please let me know and I will be happy to show you how to use this Chrome extension that will speed up repetitive tasks and increase your productivity. When you create your snippets in ProKeys, you can use placeholders, which is simply text that is enclosed within percent symbols. This is the text that you want to customize within your snippet. When you include the placeholders in your snippet, it triggers a response that will allow you to navigate through the placeholders by pressing the Tab button on your keyboard. This feature will allow you to customize your snippets for individual students. For example, if I have a student that needs their login information for Schoology, I can use my login snippet I created with placeholders to quickly send an email to the student and include the needed information. To do this, I simply type login, which is the name of my snippet, and then use the hotkey Shift Space to have my long-form text populate within the webmail. You will notice that the first placeholder, which is the name, is highlighted in blue, and I can type in the student's name. So let's say the student's name is John. I type in John, and now I press the Tab button, and it moves me to my next placeholder, which is the student's username. So we'll say that their username is doe.john, and then I hit the Tab button again, and that will move me to the password, which is my final placeholder in this snippet. And I can type their password in, and you can see how quickly I was able to update this snippet and customize it for an individual student. Now you can use placeholders in ProKeys to customize your snippets for individual students to increase your productivity and efficiency. That's it for this episode of Tech Tuesday. If you have an idea for an upcoming episode, send me an email or hit me up on Twitter @thatedtechguy. Have a great week, everyone.